In this video, I'll show you how you can upload your CV or your resume as a PDF format into Indeed. So once you're on Indeed, you want to go ahead and create your account. Once you've got it created, go to your account icon here in the top right hand corner, then go to Profile. Now once you're on Profile, it will prompt you to upload your CV. So I'm going to click Upload CV. From here, we can go ahead and find the CV. Once you've clicked on the CV, and it's uploaded it, I've just asked ChatGPT to create mine, so I'm not sure what it's put. It's going to display it in Pages, and obviously make sure the formatting looks okay. So if everything looks right, click yes, this looks right. And then you can either create a CV which is searchable on Indeed, which is recommended, because people will be able to search for your CV and ask you to apply for jobs. And there you go, your CV has saved, and when you apply, you'll be able to use this CV. What I would also do is go ahead and add your name, your last name, phone number, add in all of this contact information because it's going to make your profile stronger. But that's how you can add your CV or your resume. I hope that helped you out.